Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to launch the Ubuntu terminal. Now let's add the GPG key to the system. For this, I'm going to run this huge command, and this portion of the command silently downloads files from a URL and shows errors if they occur. And this is a URL to download Jenkins GPG key, and this is the pipe symbol. This is used to redirect the output of the first command to the input of the second command. And this sudo command grants administrative privileges, and t command redirects the output of the previous command to a file, and this one is the file name where the output is redirected to, and this portion redirects the output to the output of the t command to the null device that discards it. Now pressing on the enter button, it's time to type the password of the root user and press the enter button again. Now I'm going to add the Jenkins binary package to my sources. This portion is used to display a given text, and this portion specifies the package repository type, and this portion specifies the location of the GPG public key file needed to authenticate packages. This one is the link to the package repository that contains the binary Jenkins packages. And as you know, it is a pipe symbol and the sudo command and t command, and this is the file name where the output is redirected to, and other I have explained before. So now I'm tapping on the enter button. Now I'm going to update the newly downloaded packages. Here apt-get manages the latest versions of available packages on the system. Now I'm tapping on the enter button. After updating the packages, now I'm going to install the Jenkins server. Now I'm tapping on the enter button. Now I'll type Y and press the enter button again. As you can see, I have successfully installed Jenkins in my Ubuntu system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.